This poem is called Carrier, Standing Woman Carrying Wolf, and it's after a sculpture by the artist Kiki Smith. It's from the collection Her Book, which was published in 2013 by Milkweed Editions. Carrier, Standing Woman Carrying Wolf, after Kiki Smith. She was preaching no sermon except the one that goes, "Love thyself, sinner, and love them animals, the ones running past you in the night when you can hardly breathe, their fur gets so close, and all you want to do is pass out so you don't remember how good they smell, and if you want to be one."